Welcome to the Bunny Brain.
What up, space junkies? Ever stared up at the night sky and thought, yeah, I kinda know what's up there? Today we're throwing down the ultimate solar system throwdown, the quiz that'll test if you're a cosmic know-it-all or still stuck on Earth. Think you can nail a perfect 10? Prove it. Grab your favorite cosmic beverage, sharpen those brain cells, and drop a like if you're ready to get your space on. And hey, if you love space as much as I do, make sure you subscribe for more interstellar awesomeness. Let's go!
Round 1. Question 1. Does Mercury have any moon? A. 0. B. 1. C. More than 1.
Answer is A. Mercury. Mercury is so close to the Sun and its gravity, it wouldn't be able to hold on to its own moon.
Question 2. What about Venus? Moons or no moons? A. 1. B. 2. C. 0. Venus doesn't have a moon and is a mystery for scientists to solve.
Round 2. Can you match these famous moons to their planets?
Question 3. Which planet has a moon named Titan? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. Answer is B. Saturn. It's the second largest planet in our solar system, after Jupiter. Question 4. Where would you find Phobos and Deimos? A. Mars. B. Uranus. C. Jupiter.
Answer is A. Mars. Those are its two spooky little moons.
Round 3.
Question 5. Which planet has the most moons as of 2025? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Uranus.
Saturn boasts the highest number of moons in the solar system, with a confirmed count of 274. Question 6. What's the largest moon in the solar system? A. Titan. B. Callisto. C. Ganymede.
Answer C. Ganymede. It's even bigger than Mercury. Rapid fire round. 5 seconds per question. Go.
Question 7. Which planet has a moon named Europa? Answer is Jupiter. Europa is an icy moon of Jupiter.
Question 8. Which ice giant has 28 known moons?
Answer is Uranus, and it is the third largest planet in our solar system. Question 9. Which moon might have underground oceans? Answer is Europa. It's slightly smaller than Earth's moon and is the 6th largest moon in the solar system. Question 10. Triton belongs to which planet? Answer is Neptune. It is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in our solar system. How did you do? 0 to 3, you're a space cadet. 4 to 7, you're orbit ready. 8 to 10, intergalactic genius. Tell us your score in the comments. Here is bonus fun facts. 1. Ganymede has its own magnetic field. 2. Saturn's moon Enceladus shoots water into space. 3. Jupiter's Io has active volcanoes made of ice. Mind equals blown, right? Saturn's moon Enceladus shoots water into space. Jupiter's Io has active volcanoes made of ice. Mind equals blown, right? Tell us your score in the comments. Thanks for quizzing with us. Want more fun space videos? Tap that subscribe button and check out our other quizzes. Until next time, keep looking up.